spSlab features a templates module with various predefined templates. The Templates module allows users to select from a set of predefined templates and edit them for quick model generation. In the Start screen under Projects, select the Templates option. This will open the template selection dialog. Users can select the desired template along with the design code and unit system. Clicking on a template image will open the Template module and load the selected template. Each template left panel has 3 tabs. The Spans tab can be used to modify the span options and span geometries along with the geometries of span elements. The Supports tab can be used to modify the support elements and properties. Using the Loads and Materials tab, the load values and the material properties of the structure can be edited. Change the structure parameters and load values in the left panel to modify the template as required. The bottom part of the left panel consists of the display options. Here, you can switch between load cases and also toggle on or off several viewport items. The New Pattern command opens the template selection dialog box. Selecting a new template will discard the old template and load the new one. The Discard and Exit command discards the current template and exits to the spSlab home screen. Once you are done editing the template, you can click the Save and Exit button to import the template to spSlab. In spSlab, you can further modify the imported template, just like modifying any other model. Thank you for watching. Please visit StructurePoint.org for more information.